I am Papri Dutta. I came from Salt Lake Sector 4 in Kolkata. I did my graduation in BTech Electronics and Communication from Meghnad Shah Institute and Technology College, and I passed 2020. And after that, I'm taking a preparation from government job, but in a COVID situation are there, so therefore I decided I grow in my career in IT field, and then I searching and I'm looking for a IT job and courses. And after that, I called from Webskitters Academy. I am doing this manual testing course under Shobhit sir. In this course, sir helped me not only the theoretical part, it's also provide the practicals, and I am recommended any other student when you try to grow in your career IT field. So that's it. Thank you.